This is stock number B4810L. This is a 2009 Chevy Avalanche. This is a 5.3 liter crew cab short box. Goodyear Eagle tires, which look to be brand new. Color is black. Paint is very shiny and reflective. Body is in great condition, no dings or dents. This truck is in great condition. Back tires just as much tread as the front. And frame and underbody is very clean. Now we'll take a look at the bed. Bed of the vehicle is also very clean, some light usage, but not a lot. Tailgate is in great condition. No chips, has a full towing package, backup sensors, and also the reverse cam. And this side, paint is just as clean and reflective as the other side. There are no dings or dents on this side either. Power fold running boards. This is a LTZ package. It's a nice gray interior. Nice gray leather seats, which are very clean and in great condition. No rips or tears. These are powered, heated, and AC'd seats. This truck has 49,866 miles. Multifunctional steering wheel with the Bluetooth. Optional tap shift. CD player with navigation, and that's where you'll be seeing your backup cam. Rear view has OnStar, headliner has a sunroof, and it's very clean. And passenger side also very clean. Nice wood grain on the dash. Back of the vehicle also very clean, seats as well. Vehicle does come equipped with a DVD player. Seats do fold up and down. And now we'll start her up. Side mirrors have the built-in directional signals, and the rest of the body of the vehicle is very clean and in great condition. Engine bay is also very clean. This truck sounds great and it runs smooth. To see more pictures of this Avalanche, please visit lensauto.com.